Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today's question is, when I do Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, I start getting phlegm in my mouth and have to spit the mucus. Even if I do it continuously for 1 hour, the mucus still comes out. What is the remedy for this? Getting a little bit of phlegm in the mouth in the initial few days of pranayama training is very normal. If it continues, it indicates, as per Ayurveda, that you have increased kapha dosha in the throat and respiratory tract. As a home remedy, mouth gargling with half a cup of lukewarm water mixed with 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger juice and a teaspoon of honey once or twice a day just before food for 7 to 10 days can be useful. Consider having dinner before 9 pm. It is best to avoid curds, sweet foods and fried foods at night as it leads to kapha vitiation. If things do not improve, you may need Ayurvedic medicines such as Kantakari Avaleha, Talisadi Churna, etc. Fasting or skipping meals, drinking lukewarm water throughout the day, using spices such as ginger, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, etc. in diet are very useful to decrease kapha dosha and phlegm collection. A cup of warm milk added with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper can be taken in the morning. Regular consumption of Chavanaprash is also a healthy way of keeping kapha dosha in balance. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.